BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Stephenson's Tubular Bridge, Conwy. The railway tracks beside Conwy Castle emerge from two iron tubes which form a bridge over the estuary. This was a pioneering design by the renowned engineer Robert Stephenson, with the help of others including Isambard Kingdom Brunel and William Fairbairn. They worked out that to support the train, the big tubes would need reinforcement by rows of small tubes along the top and bottom. This makes the bridge at Conwy the ancestor of countless box girder bridges across the world. The giant tubes were constructed on the shore, floated into position on pontoons, and jacked up to the correct height. Stephenson himself rode the first locomotive to cross in April 1848. Supporting piers were added, one each side of the estuary channel, in 1899. The trains enter the tubes through tall stone portals designed to complement the castle. The full span of the tubes is best seen from the south, near the bowling green off Llanrwst Road. The bridge is now owned and maintained by Network Rail. Stephenson built 3 other bridges with the same principles, including a very long one in Canada, but only Conwy survives as a tubular bridge.